So next we are going to discuss the distance between two parallel planes. Okay. So the distance between two parallel planes. The distance between two parallel planes AX plus BY plus CZ plus D1 equal to 0. And AX plus BY plus CZ plus D2 equal to 0 is given by modulus of D1 minus D2 divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Here, if two planes are parallel, then they differ only by the constant. When you observe both the equation, here the constant is D1 and here the constant is D2. All other things remains the same. So, firstly you have to observe that the given planes are parallel or not. Okay. So, one plane can be the parallel to other plane by multiplying a constant number itself. Okay. So, you have to make sure that the two equations are parallel or not. Okay. Based upon this, we are going to see a problem. So, now example 6.52. Find the distance between the planes r vector dot 2I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap equal to 6 and r vector dot 6I cap minus 3j cap minus 6k cap equal to 27. If you want to find the distance between planes means first you have to make sure that the two planes are parallel. Okay. And you have to convert the equation, that is the planes equation are given in vector form. You have to convert this into Cartesian form. So first we are going to write the Cartesian equation for these two planes. If you want to write the Cartesian equation means it's very simple. You just replace I cap by x and j cap by y and k cap by z. And you just bring the constant to the left hand side. Okay, actually the procedure is instead of r vector you have to substitute the arbitrary vector xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. When you are taking dot product for this, you will get the equation what I have said to you. Okay, but you can directly write the Cartesian equation by the way I have mentioned. Okay, so now the Cartesian equation of the planes. So the Cartesian equations are first. Cartesian equation is 2x minus y minus 2z. 2x minus y minus 2z minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So this is the Cartesian equation of the first plane. Okay. Next, the other Cartesian equation, other plane is 6x minus 3y minus 6z minus 27 is equal to 0. So the other equation is 6x minus 3y minus 6z then minus 27 equal to 0. You have to bring the constant to the left hand side because in the formula I have taken all the values in the left hand side. In the right hand side you will have only 0. Okay. For that I have brought here. Now I have to say that these two planes are parallel. How to say the planes are parallel means parallel planes differ only by the constant. So these two values only that will be changed. But you are saying that here 2 you are having 6, here minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 here minus 6 means if you divide the second equation by 3 you will get the what is that first equation. The constant only differs. Suppose if you multiply the first equation by 3, what you will get? You can get the second equation, the constant only will differ. So what I am going to do is, I have to confirm the given planes are parallel. For that, I am going to divide this equation by 3. Okay? When you are dividing the second equation by 3, what you will get? 2x minus y minus 2z. Then when you are dividing 27, you will get that minus 9 which is equal to 0. So that when you compare these equations, these two equations differ only by the constant. Okay, so the equations differ only by the constants. Now, we are going to find the distance between parallel planes. We know the formula, the distance between parallel planes is modulus of d1 minus d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now identification of values. First, I am going to identify the value of A. The value of A can be taken from any of the equation, from this equation and from this equation, because both are same. So what is the value of A? 2. What is the value of B? Minus 1. What is the value of C? Minus 2. So A equal to 2, B equal to minus 1 and C is equal to, what is that? Minus 6. Sorry. C is equal to minus 2. Okay? And D1, the first constant, what you are having? Minus 6. D2 is the other constant. Here the constant is minus 9. Now you just substitute in the formula. Delta is equal to modulus of D1 minus D2. D1 is minus 6. Minus of minus 9 is plus 9. Okay? Now root of A square plus B square plus C square. A square is 4. B square is 1. Once again C square is 4. What you will get? Which is equal to 9 minus 6 is 3. Divided by root of 9 is also 3. 3 by 3 gets cancelled. So the distance between the planes is 1 unit. Okay. So the distance between the parallel planes is 1 unit. One may do the problem by multiplying this by 3 also. Okay. So the answer will not change.